Sometimes a discussion goes in circles. People talk, suggest ideas, someone disagrees, and then repeat the same points again and again. It sounds active, it sounds busy, but no one is getting it done. It's not getting closer to the real answer. Then one person says something simple, and suddenly everything becomes clear. This person has hit the nail on the head. So the idiom means to describe a problem or situation exactly correctly. This person described it, explained it exactly, accurately, correctly. He has hit the nail on the head. The image comes from using a hammer. When you hit the nail directly on the head, you strike it perfectly. The job is done properly. In conversation, it means someone has identified the exact truth of the situation. Let me give you an example at work. Imagine a company is losing customers. Why? Managers are discussing possible means, possible reasons. Some people think the advertising is weak. Others think the prices are too high. Then one person says, I think the real problem is customer service. People are waiting too long for help. Suddenly, suddenly everyone agrees. Another manager says, yes, yes, you have hit the nail on the head. So that person has identified, has pinpointed the real issue. Here is another example. Imagine a group of students talking about why a class is difficult. Some say the textbook is confusing, others say that homework takes too long. Then one student says something that hits the nail on the head. I think the real problem is that we don't practice speaking enough. The teacher hears this and says, you've hit the nail on the head. So that student has described the problem exactly. You often hear this idiom in discussions, meetings, and even in everyday conversations. When someone understands the real problem clearly, we say they hit the nail on the head. So remember, hit the nail on the head means to describe something exactly right. Try saying the phrase aloud. Hit the nail on the head. Hit the nail on the head.